So right now we'll just go on to the portfolio reviews. Our experts will help us look at what you have sent into us, critique it, and then give you feedback. And we hope that every one of us here will have something to learn from the critique that he gives to us.
This is for my environment portfolio. Like this is actually my first try at environment. So I just did like all these scripts with a lot of reference. So yes, I employed a lot of reference to get this done, but I tried to make it as original as possible. So I would like to get feedback on this. Like how do I, what am I doing wrong? My color choices. Am I really passing any message?
I love what you're doing, but just the only thing is just decide to choose mood because of for presentation purposes. When you're what animations you just want to see is how you can create a scene that means something, that tells a story on its own. Because it's a beautiful beach, but at the end of the day, it's just a beach. You get me? Just consider feelings, how to invoke feelings in your work. That's all.
So most of my artworks are personal illustrations that I just like feel on the whim to just do. So no crazy story, no deep story, just fancy colors.
You've already chosen a style. So that's wonderful. But I honestly don't even think there's a problem. It's simple and everything's very clear, cutesy and everything. It's just to keep practicing, keep trying to get better, keep trying to push yourself. Because at the end of the day, you've already gotten to the point where you can choose something, you can choose a style. So don't even worry about this, just keep at it.
All right, thank you so much. So over to you, Moses.
Okay, fantastic, nice, excellent, beautiful. You are good with After Effects, but try to push yourself more and use this to actually tell a story. You can use block characters and just try to tell a story and push yourself more. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because eventually you're going to have to say something with your skill. Over, fantastic.
Right, thank you so much.